Yeah guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is kingsfx trader, and on this video I'm going to be answering a question. I dropped a video today, and one of you asked me a question. Let me see in the comment section. Let me see, just follow me. Okay, he or she said I should upload a new video showing the trend of the market. Okay, alright, so I'm going to be doing that right now. This is boom 1000. Okay, this is boom 1000, right? So I want to throw more light on trend. So trend is basically one of the market structure. So the market structure is made up of three uh, different trends. We have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, and we have the ranging market. All right, so basically when we are talking about uptrend, we mean when the price is actually going up. Okay, sorry about this. So we mean when the price is actually going up. If the price is going up, that is an uptrend. Then if the price is going down, is a downtrend. So what if the price is not actually going up or down? That means the price is going sideways. It means that the price is ranging. Okay, so now let me start by using chart example. Now we're on boom 1000, and currently looking at this price action right now, what the price is doing, we should know that boom 1000 currently is trending down. This is a downtrend. Okay, so if we pick our trend line, you can actually trade this. You pick our trend line and draw. Okay, remember you just need to picture some swing points or low. As a downtrend, the price will keep making a low high movement. You see the impulsive move from here down to this point, which is low. You have the pullback, which is low high. You have another impulsive move, low high, low high. So what you need to do is to picture 2 points. Okay, you picture these two low here and connect your line straight to that point, then extend the line. You can see what I just did. Okay, sorry, you can see what I did right there. I connected these two swing points or lows. You can see these two places. I just connected it and extended the line. All right, sorry, I need to drop this. So once you connect it, you have to extend the line so that once the price gets to that point again, you're expecting something to happen. As you can see, when this price gets to this point, you can see when it gets to this point, there was a spike. Okay, just because it's a downtrend, like what the previous video I dropped on trend, because it's a downtrend, there, as you can see, we have just few spikes. Okay, so this market currently is not a good market for catching spikes. You can only scalp here. You can sell boom if you like selling boom, that is scalping. You are taking it long, but looking at this is a downtrend, a clear downtrend. So if you are catching spike here, you are going to be wasting a lot of time and money because you won't be seeing the spike coming. Okay, so basically this is what is known as a downtrend when the price is going down. All right, so when the price is going down, uh that is basically a downtrend. Okay, sorry about this. Now you can see my downtrend. So as you can see the two lines, the only thing you need to do now is to picture some as you can I have my swing points at this point here, this point here, and this point here. Okay, so once you're able to draw this, you extend the line because this line is a kind of a point where you should be paying attention to. Once the price gets to that line, you expect a reaction. The price needs to react to the line for you to know what next to do. Now you can see currently what the price is doing. The price is close to the line down here, so we expected the price to pull back a bit. Okay, we're expecting the price to pull back this way because it's a downtrend. We expect the price to make this movement backward. Sorry. So once it pulls back to that point, if you want to catch spike, this is the opportunity you can actually try catching spike, but it's not advisable because this is a downtrend, so you shouldn't be doing anything related to catching of spikes. Okay, so what you'll be targeting is how to sell. So the price may pull back to this point before it continues the downtrend. So as a smart trader, what you need to do is to wait for the price to pull back a bit to this line and you target this impulsive move, because as a trader we're always looking for those impulsive moves that is going to give us a lot of money. So if you start trading pullbacks, you end up picking some cents or $1, $2 or so. But if you target those impulsive moves, that is when you'll be making a lot of profits. So as a smart trader, we wait for the pullback before we join the impulsive move. As you can see, we had a spike, just exactly what I said. You can see the spike. All right. So once that's spike, you can see once the price, the price was close to that line, our downtrend, you can see that line there. Once the price gets to that point, we had a spike, which is what I just said before it happened. So once you see that spike, we are expecting the spike to pull back to that second line up there at this point. Once the price pull back close to this point, then we enter a sell to ride that impulsive move downward, because that is what we are looking for. All right, so this is basically a downtrend. I told you that the market structure is made up of three. We have the uptrend, downtrend, and the ranging market. Okay, so the uptrend is just opposite of this downtrend. So if I should scroll back, all right, at this point you can see that the price kind of have been trade. This place now is an uptrend. You can see at this point is an uptrend. Okay, so now you see this point. After drawing this your trend line, okay, you can see that at this point the price kind of tested the line for the first time, retest the line, retest this line, this same line again, and look at, you can see the line again, the price at the line, and look at it again until it breaks out of the line and start dropping down. So what basically is the reason why we should draw a trend line? After looking at the trend, after looking at the price, discover is an uptrend. Okay, good and fine. So why should you draw a trend line? That might be the question coming to your mind. Why forex traders always drawing lines and lines and lines? These are basic things you need to know. Once you see those lines, the line actually remind you of something, that this is a region where something has happened before. Already you should know that history will always repeat itself when it comes to price action. So probably if the price reacted to a line at a point, if you extend that line, when the price gets to that line again, you should be expecting something to happen, and that is exactly what we are seeing here. So you see the price move from here to here. At this point you have that spike and you see that price pushed up. All right, pull back a bit again from here to this line again, and you have this massive movement up. And you can see when the price kind of pull back, touch that line again, you see what happened until the price was able to gather more momentum, like energy, to break this. You can see how this candlestick were able to break that line downward. Okay, for you to see how these things work. These are very simple stuff you need to understand. Just what you need to know is just understand how this thing works. Okay, this is not a rocket science. You need to just understand how the price works. That's why we draw a line. Once you put that line, you monitor the line. That's why you have to extend the line, so that whenever the price gets to that line, you get ready for something. You know that the price will definitely react to the line. Remember, this is something that happens 80%, 90% of the time. So you need to know this. No analysis in forex trading is 100%. So that's why I always advise you to apply your proper risk management. Okay, so basically you can once you look at chart, looking at based on what I've shown you now, once you look at any chart, you should know whether the price is going up or down, which is whether the price is an uptrend or downtrend. An uptrend will keep making a higher high and high low movements. All right, that is an impulsive move and pullback movement. The same way a downtrend will be making a low low and low lows and low highs, while the uptrend is going to be making a high highs and high lows. All right, so what about the ranging market? It simply means that the price is ranging between 2 points or two regions. We have the support and we have the resistance, and you know the support is just like a floor, while the resistance is like a ceiling. These are 2 points where price find it difficult to break either above or below, so you need to get this. Now let me check if I will see a ranging market or a ranging price here. Let's see, I just want to get a good one. This one is also a ranging market, but I want to get a perfect ranging where the price kind of range for a long period of time. I think you can still use this. Let me still check. Alright. Maybe I should check on other this thing, maybe boom 1000, that's boom 500 or crash 1000 or 500, any of them. I just want to get a perfect place where the market range for a long period of time. Okay, as you can see here, this is a kind of ranging market right here. The price has been ranging between this line. Let's say this is our resistance, okay, and right here down here is our support. Okay, you can see the price so far has been moving between these two lines. All right, so some people trade ranging market. Okay, if you like trading ranging market, I think I have a lot of videos on how to trade this, so you can watch my previous videos to understand how to do this. All right, so basically here in this video I just want to show you the market structure, the three different market structure we have, which is the uptrend, the downtrend, and ranging market. So I'm going to go quickly to order maybe volatility 75 or 50 or step index, or I might go to any of these indices. I can go to any of them, then kind of still apply the same thing here. So whatever you see here is still applicable in any of the trade, no matter whether it's boom and crash or volatility or any other commodity that you trade, even currency pairs. All these things is applicable there, so you don't need to start, maybe when you get to order this thing you start changing any the process is the same thing. So if we should go to volatility, let's say we go to VS 75 or 50. Let's go to 50 first. All right, remember this is 4 hour time frame. When you are checking the trend, it's advisable you go to a higher time frame. All right, you go to either daily time frame, 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame. All right, so you then, after checking the trend, understanding what the price is doing or where the price is going to, you can now go down to your entering time frame. All right, if you are using 15 minutes, that's my favorite time frame. All right, so if you are using 15, you enter with 15. If you are using 5 minutes, good, or 30 minutes, anyone, or you are using 1 hour, good. But always remember to go to a higher time frame, because 15 minutes is inside 1 hour, right? So if you check the trend on 1 hour, 1 hour will always control whatever that will happen in 15 minutes. So the mistake that most of you guys do is that you go down to a lower time frame and you check the trend, which you know that this thing happened just for a short period of time. So if you check the trend on 5 minutes time frame, remember that you have 1 hour. So if the market is trending up on 1 hour and you go down to 5 minutes time frame and it's trending down, what do you expect? What do you think that will happen at last? The price will keep going up, even though you have seen in 5 minutes it's going down, but 1 hour is up. So 1 hour will control 5 minutes. There's no way 5 minutes is going to control 1 hour. That's why it's always advisable to check the trend on a higher time frame, That's what we call top bottom analysis. You don't just go to one time frame and analyze your trade. You need to check back, you need to check higher time frame, then come down to your entry time frame to confirm the signal and enter your trade. Simple. So this is basically I just want to make this video very short. This is basically how trend works, how you can actually picture a trading market and how you can utilize them. Okay, and one of the reasons why we draw, I've already kind of shown you why we draw trend lines. Why not just see the trend then enter our trade, or look for other signals to enter the trade? The thing is that you need to draw those lines. It's very helpful. That's why some of you always depend on signals. But this kind of stuff I'm showing you here is something that will help you become a consistent profitable trader. Probably anybody who is sending you a signal most time might not be a kind of conscious of how much you have in your balance. All right, so the person will drop a random signal, and because you trusted the person, you are going to enter the trade with almost half of your money. And when the signal goes wrong, you are the one losing, not the person who dropped it. I've already did his own part, or kind of try do one or two analysis sent to you, whether you paid or not. I don't know, but you already know that I advocate for learning instead of depending on signals, because once you learn, you'll be more confident in yourself. Even when you lose trade, you will encourage yourself and move on. But when somebody drops signal and you lose trade, it's more painful. I know what I'm saying. I'm talking out of experience. So just use the opportunity you have now to grab this knowledge. So I think I was able to do justice to your question. If you have any other question, drop it on the comment section. If you miss creating a video like this one, I'm going to create a video. If it's something I will reply immediately, I will do that. And basically, I know with this video you're able to look at any price action or any markets at all and determine the trend. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this, if you like what I just did here, please give this video a thumbs up. Then remember to subscribe if you are new here in my channel. You know I drop forex trading strategies, forex trading guide, anything about the financial markets. I drop it here in this channel. So consider subscribing to my channel. So I have my Telegram group also. The link is below the description of this video. You can chat me up at kingsfx trader on Telegram. Yeah, you can. I have my WhatsApp number also dropped on the description of this video, so you can also chat me up if you want to learn forex trading from scratch. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.